Hey there, Carmen. How are you? It's Leo again. This is the video that I was talking about getting sent out to you. It's got some tips that you can actually do in-house to help increase your traffic and your business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful. Now, I've got Exovations pulled up here. Great name, great logo, great pictures. I've looked through here already. Love these houses. The form submit at the bottom. One key element is content. Google loves content. There was just an update back in September about pushing how important content was. Google sends bots out every day, every night. They're crawling these sites to see exactly what it is you do and where you do it at. Now, I don't really see any specific service areas besides here, but you want to make sure that you have about a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on your home page, and throughout that content you want to have buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is just a service you do and where you do that service. So Sandy Springs roof repair Sandy Springs, roof repair Atlanta, roof repair Buford, roof repair Cumming, something like that has to be throughout this content, because those bots are going to identify where your service is at. And when someone types, say they're in Sandy Springs and they're looking for a roofer Sandy Spring, if you've got a location page up here for Sandy Springs and it says that we are roofers in Sandy Spring, when someone in Sandy Spring searches you, they're going to find you and you're going to be pushed towards the top. Now, you want to make sure that you're saving photos as keywords too. And again, the keywords is service and the location you do that service. Make sure you're saving your videos and photos as keywords, because those count as content as well. I like how you've got your click to call up here. You got your book appointment up here at the top. That's a great idea. Now, what I've done is put your website in the tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR and your DR. You've actually got a really good UR DR. This is the strength of your website, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. These numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now, you've got 8,000 backlinks and 2,000 referring domains. A backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you got to be really careful with the backlinks that you get. Some can be more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to attack those backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you've been indexed for 7,900 keywords, right at 8,000. So you really want to capitalize on keywords with the city and the job that you do. And I'm not seeing a lot of those in here at all. So I'll cover those here in a second with you. The way I found you was through the Google Guaranteed paid ads. And you're not in these top three. And it's very important to be in these top three. Google ads, Google Guaranteed ads is a good way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying for those, you're gone. And you're not even on the top three of those now. So that's the importance of ranking organically. This is your map pack. And you definitely want to be on the top three of these. You're not here right now. That's okay, because there's several ways to get there. Make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet, because you do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. Make sure that's filled out completely, and make sure not to forget to add the keywords in there as well. By posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly, it'll help you rank organically, along with adding citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Yext. Because honestly, Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more information you give out to as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more. And then it's going to boost your business not only in your area, but also it trickles out to the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and it's going to give you a call right from there. Now, down here is your organics. This is where you're going to get 60 to 70% of your search volume that's coming to your website. So Colony Roofers are the #1 organics. And as you see, they have a little bit of content, but they don't have a lot. So implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks, citations, and those keywords and content as well. Now, I want to show you something here. This is Lawrenceville. So look at the search volume and then the KD. The KD is keyword difficulty. This is out of 100, so the lower it is, the easier it is to rank. But there's massive volume here that no one in Lawrenceville is taking advantage of. So you could pop up a locations page here, pop you up a locations page with Lawrenceville, with Marietta, with Sandy Springs. Sandy Springs, you can have a locations page with Sandy Springs with 500 words of command content and have these 2 words in there, and you're going to pull, have a possibility at 900 search volume a month. Even if you got 10% of that, that's 90 more jobs a month, or even 5%, that's 45 more jobs a month. And the Marietta roofer, 350, 350, 350, 350, 350. I mean, there's 3,000 search volume, 4,000 search volume just right here in Marietta, Georgia. And then also Lawrenceville. So you could just add these 3 location pages on your services that you already service, and you will eat these areas alive. So as you see, there is a decent amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, you'll get a percentage of that volume goes to your website. Then a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and depending on your close rate, you turn them into customers. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love some feedback from you, and I hope to hear from you soon. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out because I can be that free resource for you. Have a great day.